Class 10. Today we will learn chapter 24, mean by shortcut method. Actually, to find mean, different methods are there: direct method, shortcut method, step deviation method. Direct method I have discussed, so now I will discuss shortcut method. The formula is mean is equal to a plus summation fd by summation f, where d is the formula x minus a, d is the deviation, its formula is x minus a, where a is the assumed mean. When we will do sum, we will consider one number as a mean, that is called assumed mean. Step deviation method later on I will discuss. And after doing the sum, we can solve all these sums. So you will also try to solve these sums. Let us do the sum. From here I have taken sum number 2, this one. You see, row wise given, but I will copy this column wise. See, weekly wage and number of workers I have copied in column wise. Then I have to make another column x. How to find x? This is the mid value of these two. So you add 50 plus 55, whatever you are getting divided by 2, you will get this result. And one shortcut technique to find this mid value is, the difference is what? 55 minus 50, it is 5. 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. This 2.5 you add with this, that is 52.5 is the mid value. Similarly, that 2.5 you add with this, you will get mid value. You add with 60, 2.5, you will get this thing. Like this, with every first value you add 2.5, you will get the mid value. Similarly, here also mid value. Otherwise, you can add this 2 divided by 2, you will get mid value. Add this 2 divided by 2, you will get mid value like this. So all these value I have considered this as x. X means this or this or this, like this. So a equal to, I have considered 67.5, this one, since this is the mid value, because there this side 3 and that side also 3, 1 extra. Actually in the middle, if there are two values, you can consider any one. Here I have considered this one as a, you can consider this one also a. The answer will come same. Okay, how to find d? That is x minus a. So this is the value x and this is the value a. So you do this minus this, the result is minus 15. Again you do this minus this, the result is minus 10. Then this minus this, the result is minus 5. Again 67.5 minus 67.5, answer is 0. Again 72.5 minus this, the answer is 5. Again this minus this, 10. This minus this, 15. This minus this, answer is 20. Okay, then FD. FD means this is the F, number of worker I consider F. This is actually frequency. So 5 into 15, minus 75. 20 into minus 10, minus 200. 10 into minus 5, that is minus 50. 10 into 0, that is 0. 9 into 5, that is 45. 6 into 10, that is 60. 12 into 15, 180. 8 into 20, 160. Now this total we have to find. Actually for this summation fd we need to calculate, and for this we have to add these things, since these are same sign. It is minus 325 and these are also same sign. Add this, it is 445. Now these two you subtract. Sign of greater one is plus, so here will be plus. This minus this, it will come 120. Now I have shown you that mean formula by shortcut method. Mean formula is a plus summation fd by summation f. This summation fd we got 120, so you put here, and summation f means the addition of this column 80. So a value is this 67.5, here you put. Summation fd you got 120, put. 80 you got summation f value, put here. Now do this one cancellation, it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means actually this is 1.5. I made a mistake here, it will be 1.5. here it will be 1.5. Now if we add this 67.5 plus 1.5, it will be 69. So this is the shortcut method. This is the shortcut method of finding mean. That's all for this video.